Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The holidays are just around the corner and we all know how stressful gift shopping can be. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon Christmas list so you can easily share your wish list with families and friends. By the end of this video, you will have your own customized Christmas list ready to go. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on three horizontal lines at the bottom right of your screen. In this interface, you can see the option of list. Tap on it. Here you have to tap on plus icon. Now you can see the option of create a new list. Tap on the list bar and let's call it Christmas list. Tap on create list. In this interface, you can see many options such as add items. Here you can add your purchased item. On the three-dot menu, you have option to invite friend, manage list and so on. On the invite option, you can make your list public so other people also can have idea what's on the list. And that's it friends, now you know how to create Christmas list on Amazon app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching and I will catch you in the next one.